Hey guys, welcome to Kongfu Kong's eating channel. I'm your friend, Kongfu. Tonight I will eating the French fry for my dinner. Normally when I eating the French fry, I will cut short them first. And then put it into my mouth. This French fry is not bad. And also, I like to make my favorite pudding, tapioca pudding, to mix with the French fry to eat. I think it's the best combination. The taste is looks like you can see the salty and the sweety mixed together. That tapioca pudding also not bad. I think it's the best combination of French fry and tapioca pudding. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment and also like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my Kongfu Kong's channel. See you next time. Bye bye.